And welcome back to the channel, guys. We have here really cold weather, really like -20 to -27 degrees almost every day. So I can't finish this sandblasting. I was thinking I will show you how to make polyurethane bushes to my project. I did install one of these bushes to the rear axle, but here are the other ones. Why I need to make myself is because strong flex do not make to cast iron control arms. So yeah, I need to make these ones myself. These outer ones I have. Yeah, I have done a lot custom polyurethane bushes. I add some pictures here. I made for Audi V8 and have done for some really old motorcycle parts with polyurethane bushes, some off-road machines, one Dodge, one Lincoln, and a lot other cars, some rear differential bushings for S4, C4, P5 and so on. So today we make for P4 quattro these control arm bushes. Nothing too hard. You need to have lathe, then you need to buy this polyurethane material. It's different diameters you can buy. This is strongest one, 90 SHA. You can buy also 60 SHA, but yeah, it's a hobby car, so let's make stronger ones. Also I have these strong flex ones. They are also 90 SHA strongest ones. So yeah, here I have old control arm bush. It's good to use for measuring. It was like this. And here I have some old bushes for the rear control arm. And yeah, so need to take some measures, then we can install it on the lathe. I use this special blade. It's for plastic and aluminium only. It cuts really well, this polyurethane. What else? So for making them I use this digital caliber. It's really good. When you take this measure, so it was 43.9. Now I can zero. So when I'm working on lathe, I measure this material and it shows how many millimeters I need to take more for getting right diameter. So, long story short, let's get working. result of making polyurethane bushes. A lot blue powder. Woohoo! So, made some bushes like you saw. All these are the rear axle upper cast iron arm ones. Have a little bit more material to make front wishbone one bush also. For inserts, I think I will use these original ones in rear. Because they are rusty, but I want to take all the bolts, wheel hubs and other that kind of stuff to galvanizing, and I think I will take these ones too, and then I see when they come like this nice, then I use them. If not, then I make the new tubes, but it's really nice fitment. Yeah, all nice. So, like you saw, the main key is to measure, because when it gets, when you take more than needed, then you can't use it. So it needs to be tight. And yeah, so it's the old one. This is the new one. A lot better, I think. And yeah, so. Something made again. Need to buy more material to finish the front ones also. And yeah. So now I hope I can take the sandblaster out one day and blast the rear wheel arches. Then I can add this corrosion, anti-corrosion and primer and paint. And then we can start installing axles. Yeah, can't wait. And yeah, we have here one modification also in workshop. I made this shelf. All B4 parts are on the shelf. All the parts before was on the floor, and it was really bad in every corner. But now I have all parts what I need on the shelf. Under my eye, and I can see what to do next. And yeah, it's nice. So I hope you did like this video, and also what you think about this VR6 Quattro logo, what I made for this project. I'm planning to make some merch also, hoodies, caps and that kind of stuff. I think that will be cool, but let's see what comes out from that project. And now yeah, need to start seriously working with this car. But okay, thanks for watching. Comment what you think about this video, about my new logo for this project. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!